Hi everyone, today we are going to make a Methi Roti, which is keto friendly. So I have taken 1 cup of flour. The recipe of this flour is in my previous video. So this is a mixture of almond, flax and psyllium husk. So the ratio of is 1:1/2:4. So if we are taking 1 cup of almond flour, so we are mixing 1/2 cup of flax meal and then 1/4 cup of psyllium husk. So that's for the flour. So we're gonna add some salt. I just add like 1/2 teaspoon or something, and then I will add some oil. Like we have to add a decent amount of oil, which I use is olive oil. And then for the methi, I made the paste in a blender and I put a little bit salt in it. So you don't have to put a lot of water, just a bit of water, and then you have to blend it really well. And then after it's blended properly, it's in a puree form like this. So you have to warm it up because you need because we are not going to add water, so we just gonna add this paste and use it as our base to make a dough. So we just gonna warm it up. So I warmed it up. I'm mixing it, see how much I need it. So I'm trying to make a dough here. I'm gonna put the rest of it. Okay. So make sure it's not too thick, it's not too loose. So we should be able to make a ball out of it and then make a roti. So if you find it's like you see it's too it's not the right consistency, it's too loose or something, and you let it wait for a few minutes because the psyllium husk in it is gonna absorb water and it will make it thick. So it's getting into a form now. So that's how it comes. Now we're gonna take a bag, plastic bag. I prefer a Ziploc. And then we're gonna take some water. So I'm gonna put water on the bag like this, just to moist it so that it doesn't stick. So I'm gonna make a ball like this and then make a chapati, a roti out of it. Just make sure you have to make sure that the edges doesn't get split. So you have to just use your hands, like one hand to flat it and the other hand to kind of help to make it a nice circle. So once it is done like this, you see, and you're gonna take the bag like this and transfer it onto your hand nicely. So now our one side is ready. We're gonna flip it carefully like this. So we have to wait. You see how nice it is. So we have to wait until the both sides are done. You can put some oil on it just to make it a parantha form, or you can just make it like a roti. So this is gonna be ready. I'll post the final result. And this is our final product. That's how it turned out nice. And I'm using homemade butter that I did from fresh cream. So I can post the recipe for that as well in my next video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.